Welcome, curious developers, to a remarkable voyage through the enchanting realm of Google Maps integration in Android apps. Prepare to be captivated by the magic that awaits. In this extraordinary adventure, we will unlock the secrets of Google Maps, traversing uncharted territories of code and creativity. So, gather your coding tools, embark on this immersive journey with us. So, buckle up and get ready for an adventure. Now, my friends, to embark on this epic journey, we must accomplish two sacred tasks. Our first mission is to establish a connection between your Android project and all-powerful Firebase. Picture yourself stepping into a futuristic control room where you will access the Firebase menu, brimming with possibilities. Engage your inner explorer and select the Get Started with Cloud Firebase Firestore option. With a single click, you will ignite a chain reaction that bridges your app and Firebase in a cosmic union. Behold the cosmic energies swirling around you as the Firebase connection materializes. This mystical fusion allows your app to tap into Firebase boundless resources, empowering you to shape your mapping destiny. But wait, there's more. Now embrace yourself as we venture into the enchanted realm of the Google Cloud Console. Trust me, it's a console that's out of this world. We will enable the Maps SDK for Android, grab our API key, and we are good to go. Pop that key into your manifest file like a secret code, and the map gods will smile upon you. Alright, let's cut to the chase. In your Android app, you create a magnificent maps activity. Picture it, Fox, a shining new Google Maps view activity, and don't forget to drop that API key in the manifest file. And there you have it. Behold the majestic Google Map screen dancing right before your eyes. You can zoom in, zoom out, and even do a little dance if you feel like it. This is where the magic happens, folks. Now let me break it down for you. We have a fragment, my friends, a fragment so powerful that it's like the Avengers of mapping. This fragment is a core support for a map fragment built by the genius minds at Google, and guess what? It's on map ready, like ready to rumble. The moment the map is ready, the callback function springs into action like a superhero swooping into the save the day. We can add markers, draw lines, and do all sorts of nifty tricks with the camera. It's like a coding circus, my friends. Now folks, imagine this. You can control the map with gestures, zoom in, zoom out, rotate, and more. It's like playing a virtual reality game, but with fewer zombies and more location pins. You have the power. And guess what? You can add some fancy UI elements to your map too. With just a few lines of code, you will have buttons, circles, and the power to locate your own position. It's like having your personal map butler. Quite posh if you ask me. Now my fellow developers, let's spice things up. Did you know you can add some padding around your map? It's like giving your map a cozy hug. A little padding here, a little padding there, and boom, your map feels right at home. And here's the grand finale, my friends. You can change the map types. It's like having a chameleon map. You want a satellite view? Boom, you got it. How about a hybrid? Part satellite, part normal. Bam, done. It's like having a map buffet at your fingertips. So my fellow mappers, go forth and explore, experiment with these fantastic features and see what hidden treasures you will uncover. Just remember, you are the master of the map, the code commander. By using this menu option, we can basically use all the type of maps, the hybrid, the normal one, the none part, and the satellite view, obviously. So that's all for now, dear friends. If you enjoyed this mind-boggling journey through the wonders of the Google Maps, give that like button a satisfying tap, and hey, don't forget to subscribe and ring the notification bell. Join me on the next adventure where we will uncover even more coding secrets. Until then, happy mapping, my friends.